Welcome to the world of crazy metal. Here, we create high-quality swim spas specifically for villa owners. Through modular production, precise assembly, and strict testing, each unit leaves our factory as a complete product. No lengthy construction, no endless wait, just a few days, and your private swim spa can be seamlessly placed in your courtyard, rooftop terrace, or indoor space. Let's look at some real-life cases. Villa Cetinale in Tuscany, Italy. This 17th century Baroque villa originally had no swimming pool. The owner first considered the traditional Acqua Classica pool installation, facing months of construction and huge costs. After comparing options, he chose Crazy Metal's integrated swim spa, completed and installed within a week. He marvels at how technology enables such effortless luxury in an ancient estate. Acqua Hotel in Dubai. Situated in a historic district often challenged by dust and sand, a standard outdoor pool would be hard to maintain. In contrast, the Crazy Metal Swim Spa comes with an automatic cover, keeping the water clean when not in use. In just a short time, Acqua Hotel gained a full-featured swim spa with heating, counter-current swimming, and massage functions, offering guests an exceptional experience regardless of the climate. Our 5 core features: counter-current flow, enjoy endless swimming in a compact space, as if the lane never ends. Heating system, comfortable water temperature year-round, despite seasonal changes. Hydrotherapy massage, a spa-like relaxation that suits body and mind. Efficient filtration, always crystal clear water with minimal maintenance. Modular, pre-finished design, one simple crane lift, no complicated construction, and quick installation. Whether your villa is centuries old or newly built, Crazy Metal helps you create a versatile water space for exercise, relaxation, and rejuvenation in a shorter time and at a lower cost. For distributors, partnering with Crazy Metal means better pricing, faster delivery, and a competitive edge in the high-end market. Crazy Metal, where history meets modernity, making your villa swim spa dreams come true. Contact us now and begin enjoying a higher quality of life.